We have seen the layers. Now let's walk, go take a look at the broilers. Just come with me, follow me. Here we are. Don't mind the environment. This acts as storage for now. And here are the broilers. We have 2 batches of broilers. Just come with me. We have these ones, they're about 3 weeks now. They're looking great. They're looking really lovely. Take a look. This is a bunch of 600 birds. A bunch of 600 birds. We have like 2 weeks to go. Currently, I don't know the weight, but I'll take the measurement before I leave, and we can see what they weigh. I see one that has a bad leg. I don't know why this happens, mostly to the broilers. Maybe the bird was injured by something. But usually these ones are not, they're not so strong. Like, you have to be careful with them, because I'm seeing quite a number with bad legs. I don't know whether someone in my team stepped on them or what is happening here. That one seems okay. I thought he had a bad leg. Is there any other bird behaving like that? Yeah, we've got that one right there. You can see it. I might have to get inside to take a look at more. Just come with me, just follow me. Let's take a look. Come with me. As you can see, their feeders are full of feeds. We make this ourselves. I'll make a video to show you how. Now I'm looking for the bird that seems to have a bad leg. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Apparently you can no longer see it. So probably the only bird with a bad leg is this one. And from the look of things, he must have been hurt by something. He's really struggling. I really feel sorry for him. The unfortunate thing is that there isn't much we can do for him. Oh, I see like there's another one. Let's see whether there's a bad leg. Is it? No, not a bad leg. I don't know why they do this. This one small one, some just refuse to grow. Look at that. Look at that. At 3 weeks, look at that bird. Well, that is something you can expect sometimes. It's not very common, because you see, out of 600 birds, we have like one that has refused to grow. But oh, we have another one here, pretty small. I don't know how to explain that, but that's what is happening. But so far so good. We are doing very well. I like the progress. Very soon we'll hit the market with some fresh chicken for everybody.